okay?
Hey. Hey. Yeah? It's a feel good type of day. Hey. Yeah? So, you know how we do it? It's us again. Today, Ivy has joined me again. Karibuni sana to Lolwe TV Fitness, yes? Ita majirani, unajua vile si ufanya. Call your neighbors, call your mom, call your pops, call your sister, your son, your daughter, everyone. Invite kila mtu, sindio? You see, Ivy has stuck on because these workouts are not hard. All you need to do is get 15-20 minutes of your day. Just try and get active. Tembea, ruka, work out with us. See, we're here. We're here for you. So again, it's me, Afrofab, here at Lolwe TV Fitness with my lovely Ivy. Sindio? So today, as usual, tuanza pole pole tu. It's a feel-good type of day. Feel good, yes? Enjoy this life, man. Hakuna makasiriko. Let's go faster. Hey, swing it out. Go with your hands, open up your hands. Fungua mwili. Hey, let's do like you're kicking out your legs. Ha! Hey, I step to the front. Ah! Yes! Move it. Hey! Enjoy the music, man. Pole pole tu. Weka volume by the way. Neighbor akiamka ni sawa. Side to side. Yeah? This is our warm-up. We're just trying to get our body ready for what's coming. It's not crazy though. Haina makasiriko, haina shida. Action. Hey! If you know, you know. Hey! 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 Step it out. Ati workout ni boring. Nani alisema? Ulisikia wapi? Yeah? Side to side. Swing your hands. Fungua mikono. Hizo mikono leo ndo zinafanya kazi, please. Hey, match it out. Hey. Yeah? Enda na pace yako. Do it like you can. I always say, just start. Chaka. That's all you need to do. Just start moving. Before you know it, it's going to carry you away. It's going to carry you away. Itakubeba. You'll find yourself ukikosa kuwaka out unatafuta na ule Afrofab Lolwe TV yuko wapi? Hizi ni shida gani? Yes? So leo we'll be doing a lot of mat work. Tutakuwa chini kwa floor. We'll do a bit of mountain climbers. We'll do a bit of step-ins. I'll walk you through it. We'll do a bit of step-ins. Sio ngumu by the way, hizi jina ni jina tu. It's movements you do every day. Yeah, when you're climbing, when you're walking. Yes, and we'll do a bit of squats. We like squats because, hizi miguu lazima zijengwe. Tunatembea sana, tunaruka sana, tunapanda, tunashuka sana. So you need to strengthen your legs and your core. So actually, let's start with the squats first. When you're squatting, make sure you're comfortable. I see people squatting in high shoes. No. Just make sure you're comfortable. For me, I prefer flat shoes because I'll avoid injuries like that. So my feet are shoulder width. Yes, you're comfortable. And then you drop your bum kidogo. Paka pale utafika. If you can do a deep squat, sawa. When you come up, squeeze your glutes. Yes? Let's go again. Go down, come up, squeeze. Yes, that's 2. We're going for 10. 3, let's go. 4, nice. Let's go. Halfway there. Hey, 6, smile man. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Mambo rahisi. You come up with excuses that, sikukuwa na time. No. You can even do this at the office. You can do this with your kids before they go to school. No. Mambo rahisi. And then we drop. Your knee just about to hit the ground. Yes, like that. Yes. Try and get your chest out, because now it will force your back to be. Yes. Because posture is very important again. If you do this, and then you're hurting yourself, and then you're just creating problems again. Now we're going for 10. Umeshafanya moja. 20. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. We switch sides. Mambo right. Of course, we came back dancing. Tumesha kunywa maji. Tuko tu sawa, sio? Wacheni kujienjoy sana. Tunarudi chini. We go back to our workouts, yes. Now we go down. We've done squats, we've done lunges. Now we do mountain climbers, yes. Mambo rahisi. First you get on a plank position. Mambo rahisi. Then you bring your knee in. Yes. Sawa. If you're not comfortable with going fast, what she's doing is alright. You just walk in, pole pole. Trick is maliza. You get bragging rights, and you get fitter and better. So we're going for 20. That's 10 each leg. So just try and drop your bum kidogo. Sawa. Ready? Yeah. Unatatu ndani pole pole. Sawa. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and drop. That was so hard. Amemaliza. So I always insist, ukianza jaribu tu umalize, because I could be going faster, I could be going, yes, but as long as, see, history, stick to your lane story. Just start slow. And then eventually you're going to build up to it. So don't be frustrated. Try. Fanya 3, kesho utafanya 6. Next you're going to be doing 10, so you'll be alright. Okay? Tukiwa tu hapo tena, we get back to a plank position. So we'll be doing shoulder taps. Okay? So this is us. Drop your bum kidogo. Sawa. So now, nice. Sawa. 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Good stuff. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. You done did it. Unaona? Mambo rahisi. Bado tujamaliza hapa. We're still going back down. Sasa tunaenda tukienda. All right? So we get on our elbows. And now we plank. We hold the plank there. All right? We'll go for 15. Drop. Sasa uangalie hapa mbele, usiangalie juu utajumiza mgongo. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. How was that? Oh, good. I promise you, when we were beginning, she said, I can't do planks. Here she is championing. Don't ever say you can't. That's your brain trying to lie to you. Sai kuna baridi. Najua sai watu wanashinda wamejifunika na blanketi. I mean, we are out here in sleeveless tops and loose clothes, so try and get active. It's for your own good, because after this hibernation is over. That's all I'm saying. That is all I'm saying. So now, I will sit facing that side. We'll do side dips without weights. So, sharing is caring. Salimia jirani yako. You can use your bottle if you feel like you need a weight. Mimi nimekunywa maji nimemaliza. And use it to tap. Yes? So, if you don't have a weight, when you turn to the side, your resistance. Kidogo tu. Alright? Are you ready? You're going for 15. Peke yake tu. Si tutamaliza? I can't do planks. Who are these people? Who are these people? Don't say you can't. All right, so lean back. Tena. So it's 1, all right, 2, go, 3, 4, breathe, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That wasn't so bad. Sumemaliza. Kunywa maji mama, kunywa maji. Kunywa maji. Sip some water while you're there as we wait. Hey. Active rest nani? Active rest tukiwa pale. Nyosha miguu. I know they might be burning. Yeah? We're still in the same position. The thing I like about this mat, once you get on the mat, it's the mat until I get on your elbows, your legs are straight out, yes? So lift up your knees and you point your toes out, yes? Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Waka sauti imepotea. Waka sauti imepotea. No. Yeah. This is how we're building our summer bodies. Summer bodies. After this hibernation is done. I know, right? Some of us are going to be Christmasing like that. So, mimi nafuata Ivy kula naenda. So again, we do sit-ups. We'll do the only ones. Cross. Let's go. Touch. 2. 3. We're going for 10. Let's go. Keep going. 4. Let me hold your legs. Let me hold your legs. Let me hold your legs. Sorry, I'll be showing you my back. Let's go. If your partner is suffering, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good stuff. 7, almost there. 2 more. Finish. 1 more. Finish strong. Good stuff. High five. You've done it. You've done it. Mama Raisi. You see now those are the joys of working out with a partner, yes? If your partner gets stuck somewhere, you step in, help them, sindio? Pia ukikwama, mnasaidiana, sindio? Finish your set, help your partner. It's a wrap. Sharing is caring. Sindio? This is my victory dance. I'm dancing for Ivy because I'm happy she finished her set. Hey. This one is fun. This one likes dancing. This one likes music. Hey. There you go. This life. Live Joe. Yeah. Hey. You don't need to active rest, man. You don't need to active rest. Just don't stand there waiting for, I don't know, mana to come from wherever. Alright, match it out. Hapa bado tunaendelea. We like our hands. Alright, tani kusonge. Tusifight. Alright, get your hands up. Oh, now we flap. Just try and make sure. Yes, this part stays Yes. You'll tell me where you'll feel this thing. 5, 4, slowly. 3, 2, 1, and wide. Go down. 1. Raise your hands a bit high. Sawa. 2. Hey. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. March it out. Hey, you always have to remember the hands. You wake up, kill a mile, so I know, because you're there slaying, carrying your handbag over there. No, you want your hands looking nice. Yeah. Hi. Step it out. Your knees out kabisa. Yeah, zinakaa hivi. Haki shule tulikuwa tunasema vunja miwa. I don't know why. I don't know who used to come up with these things. Yes. Sukuma in kabisa. Hi. Let's go. Let's go. Come and lean forward to your knee. Push it forward. Push it forward. Chest out. 3, 2, 1. Come up. Hivyo tu vile uko. It's a good thing. That means you've engaged that muscle. Sindio? Vuta kabisa. You should feel this on your hamstrings and your back and your hands. This is how we do at Lolwe TV Fitness. Our workouts hazina makasiriko. Let's bring our leg in. Switch sides. Just like we did the other side. Jambele, the back leg and nyuma kabisa. Chest out. Sawa. Hey. I know, music. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go back. The hands go down. Again, you'll feel it on your hamstrings. Yes. You'll feel something stretching. Step back in. Let's go. Roll up slowly. Hey. All right. Thank you so much for joining us today for today's episode. You guys are special. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. I don't know, Ivy, did you enjoy your workout? I know this chick is sweating. You're very, very welcome to leave us your comments on our socials. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Find us on Lolwe TV Kenya. On YouTube, you'll find our past episodes there. If there's anything you'd like to ask us, if you'd like to join us, like physically here, you're very welcome. Please let us know in the comment section. Let us know what you think, what you feel about the whole program, and how it's making you feel. Okay.